In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise your hand in Microsoft Teams. This is a simple but really useful feature, especially when you're in a meeting, a class, or a webinar and you want to participate without interrupting the person who's speaking. Using the raise hand option lets the organizer or presenter know you have a question or something to share, and it keeps the conversation more organized and respectful. First, make sure you've already joined a meeting in Microsoft Teams. You can do this either through the desktop app, the web browser, or the mobile app. The basic idea is the same, but in this video we'll focus on where to find the hand icon on the main meeting screen. Once you're in the meeting, look toward the control bar that usually appears at the bottom or top of your screen. This bar is where you see options like turning your camera on or off, muting or unmuting your microphone, sharing your screen, and opening the chat. Among these controls, you'll see an icon that looks like a small hand. Click on the hand icon above the meeting controls. When you click it, your hand is now considered raised in the meeting. Other participants, especially the organizer and presenters, will see a visual indicator next to your name in the participant list, and often a small hand icon will appear on your video tile or avatar as well. This is their signal that you'd like to speak. After you raise your hand, it's usually best to wait for the host to call on you before unmuting your microphone. In many meetings, the organizer will go through raised hands in order, so this helps keep things fair and prevents people from talking over each other. When you're done speaking, or if you no longer need to ask your question, you should lower your hand. To do that, simply click the same hand icon again. It will toggle off, and the raised hand indicator next to your name will disappear. This tells the organizer that you no longer need the floor. If you don't see the hand icon right away, move your mouse or tap your screen to make sure the meeting controls are visible, as they sometimes hide when you're not actively using them. And that's it. By finding and clicking the hand icon above the meeting controls, you can raise and lower your hand in Microsoft Teams and